Drinking at Starbucks.
Green freeze.
Yeah, have a green freeze? You enjoying your tacos?
A TG.
And shine here with another big bang. You
So last night, man, people partially frustrated me, trust me. Yeah, cause last night, which was a Friday night, yeah, at Club Escape. They call it Live something another.
Live Friday.
Live Fridays, but it only
Girls Gone Wild last night.
Girls Wild Out or some shit like that. Not really shitting about it, you know? But it keep every first Friday of the month. Yeah, every first Friday of the month. Yeah, I escape. Trust me, the selector, especially selector will start off the party. No, youth.
You do a good
You
job.
can select your fret.
Music.
I want to place
Top
the dead in the
notch.
man. The man a select like say hundreds of people in there first. Trust me, that turn up the thing, man, I lie. Trust me.
The food. Let's talk about the food.
Brother, that's all I want to talk about. All I want to talk about the food.
Listen.
That's
We go there for party, but we're hungry too. So we end up by, well, me buy pasta, him buy chicken and fries. And me I tell you that me eat pasta enough, please. Cause everywhere we go, a pasta me eat. But that top pasta, have to be one of the top 3 pasta. That pasta there, like when you talk about seasoning,
I must the best pasta ever. Because
when you talk about creamy,
me not even like pasta.
it was a jerk chicken pasta too, and it never spicy, but it's just right.
Flavorful, trust me.
Very full of flavor. It wasn't even no olive either, but nice. Never expect that.
And them fries did nice. Them fries nice, and them barbecue chicken, that was nice. And that's how me normally eat. If I normally eat fries and chicken. Yeah, that's me. Stick to them, you get me? But the food was good, and all come for notice is like them little places that we're not really restaurant. Them food tastes better than places that are restaurants.
Yeah.
Yeah, we come to realize that because I won't go. Where should you go? Taboo.
We're going to Taboo and we eat them
Wings.
Top notch
wings and fries.
full of flavor.
What?
And a little bit, but it was very
Like 6
satisfying.
wings.
Yeah.
Like $2,000, but it worth
Worth the money.
Worth it.
You see when you can go places and where you get, it might not be wholly, but the service,
Yeah, the service was
good and the food actually tastes, you can differentiate it like nothing you never tasted before. Yeah, worth the money.
Worth it, yeah.
The quality, yeah.
Quality over quantity, yeah.
Sometimes another quality.
And then quantity.
Yeah. Sometimes another quantity or the quality of the whatever you have. Yeah. So right now, guys, we're going Starbucks. I'm gonna try some.
Yeah, first time together going there.
Yeah. We both go already, you know, but,
but first time together.
Yeah. And we're go Chili's as well. I'm kind of excited about it because of food, so I'm excited. Once the food, that's me. But
not really excited, people.
I don't know what the menu is like.
I'm a party person. Music.
Yeah, we know. We never really get for vlog last night. We just did chill. We never really get for vlog, so.
Yeah, full joy yourself.
It did nice though.
She did drunk.
I never drunk.
You wanna see?
I wasn't drunk. It was a good vibe, nah. But we're gonna come back to when we reach Starbucks.
North Diego, say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Busting up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water glass. See yours out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage.
Weird feeling doing a vlog. Like everybody feel like them to look at you. And everybody want to watch you.
Cross your toe. That is it, people. Starbucks, Barbados Avenue, right across from Porsche. It's a Porsche on Lakeside ends. Dig, we are going to dig it up. Dig it up.
Leave me, camping out on me, already. Got what you needed, I got quickly. Learned yourself through me, already. Got what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. Learned yourself through me, already. Got you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody.
Oh, cocktail. No? You know, I'm a cookie person.
Learned yourself through me, already. Got you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for you.
Safety first, guys. Looking in my eye for us. Okay, it looks very nice. Yeah. Touch it. There you go. Recognize PG. Recognize the PG. Go. Yummy.
You like it?
Yeah. It's really good.
Here you go.
Thank
Direct
you.
drinking at Starbucks. Oh yeah.
This is so shiny.
Alright. Where are you going? Here? You can stay here.
Yeah, guys. This is it. It's nice. Whatever she gave me, vanilla, caramel,
It's
whatever.
on the receipt.
Yeah.
His own is caramel drizzle, Grand Van bean. I'll put it down below. I'm not trying to twist my tongue.
See you here, one.
Alright, so this is mine. I'm gonna try it.
You're on the taste bud.
My one of the taste like.
Yeah, dude. Damn, bro. Yeah, man. Schoolmate, you know, food. Yeah, from high school. Yeah. We are, baby.
Bar in the country.
people say Starbucks is foreign, though.
So we made it, Mama. We made
We
it.
made it. Just kidding, but it's just a nice relaxation.
I like this.
Can you see the vehicle from here?
Mm-mm.
You can't?
Yeah, actually I can.
Oh.
Barely, but yeah.
This is really good.
This tastes really nice.
Mm-hmm. Your one tastes good too, you know? But I'm think because so much of the chocolate.
Better.
No, man. Just what?
This girl is smart. You know what she did? So this size is good because
But Shani, brain freeze.
oh, it's actually irritating.
Brain freeze.
Yeah, have a brain freeze? Oh,
Guys,
that's why I sit my own.
it not screw up properly, isn't it?
Oh, I never tell them which one me get.
Nobody cares. They don't care about what you got. They care
They
about
don't put it-
TGO.
I can't pronounce it, but let me put it in the
Let me see it, let me see it.
description below. Not the description, somewhere on the screen. Grand chip cream frap.
With mocha sauce.
Yeah.
So Starbucks.
So let's rate from alright, the ambience. How much I get at?
10.
It's a 10. It's a 10.
Oh Lord, what the blocks on the your teeth? Nasty.
The chocolate chip. Anyways, or you rate a drink.
100 out of 10. So you're supposed to know, say,
I'm gonna give
exceptional.
mine a 9.
Out of the world.
I give mine a 9, and just because I feel like it could have been a little bit sweeter.
No, that's not supposed to be sweet.
No,
Or your drink, your type of drink is not supposed, but it's not supposed to be sweet.
I
It
get
would
that.
throw off the
But
flavor.
everybody have a different taste.
Yeah, but that's not supposed to sweet like that.
Me,
You go
like
for
my
dark chocolate not sweet like that. You notice, if you really want sweet here, I go for caramel because I am caramel.
No, this sweet, you know, but not
Nah,
sweet.
you not get it. Look for me. I am caramel. I'm not dark chocolate.
What would you grade the customer service?
100.
Yeah.
100 because
I'm sorry, I never video the cashier, but she was really nice. So she actually chose the drink.
Chose the drink up
I
here.
would never know what actually. She, all of a sudden, she could have read her mind.
yeah, she read me. She know what I want. She know some of the vanilla and
Even though I want nothing with coffee.
coffee.
And she suggested something to eat, and she suggested something separate for me. She chose the size, and it turned out to be exactly what you want. Oh, we never know what.
It fits what would I want if we didn't know what I want.
So she can read.
And the guy that was preparing the drink,
He was very
Very
friendly.
friendly.
When I saw your video,
yeah, I can show that part of it
yeah,
as well.
we see it already still. But he was very nice. And when him again give her the drinks, he said, TG,
Yeah, Sean. Yeah, him call him name. And you know, him not make it seem like we're bad or nothing like that.
Yeah, and him said thanks for coming to Starbucks. And it felt really good.
Especially calling the people who don't know, say, you start the call nice and you end it nice. So,
Yeah.
trust me, would be exceptional.
And we know say customer service is something where non-existent in Jamaica, like people not put enough effort into customer service.
True.
But this, you feel like them care, them actually care. If I just them what them do, they can see them put them all in there. So overall, out of everything,
Yeah, and
it's
this
a
is
9 for me. It could have been
Brother,
a 10,
brother,
but
brother,
just
brother.
because I rate this off, me have to rate
brother,
it.
stop it.
Alright, it's a
Your
10,
bad
it's a
mind
10.
people, your bad mind people, you have to stop
I'm
that.
not bad mind
Give
about it.
people them real
Another
due
people them
diligence.
here give them the 10 and the juice me as well.
That is not the juice. That's shit.
Drink, whatever, bro.
Yo, you know,
Anyways, we
shit. You see one of the rater? 5 out of 10. Just the fire alone take off half mark.
Anyways,
Guys, so we'll take you soon on the next part of the journey. This is us at Starbucks. Smile.
so let's rate.
Smile for a thumbnail. Put it in like
Wait, our names.
color.
Weirdos.
Alright.
It's gonna be a nice thumbnail. I'll see you there.
Yeah, guys, so on our way to Chilitos to get them burritos.
And tacos.
Tacos.
And quesadillas.
Fuck that shit.
Why do I sound Italiano?
Squingili!
Linguine.
I told you I don't want no sausage in my pasta. No pasta, no pasta. Que pasta? We don't want no pasta. We want taco. Taco Bell. With not a lot of vegetables. Yeah. More meat. Keep it meaty. Yeah, guys. So we're out. You know, dirty taxi man them as usual.
It's on the left-hand side.
Yes, so guys. Just pull up at Chilitos. Look to some Mexican burritos. No.
No, it's not handicapped.
And are you handicapped?
Sometimes.
Shani, guess a too full, Shani. Yeah, guys, so here at Chilitos. Yeah. So we'll soon decide what we want to order and all of them things there.
You me, dipping out on me, already here. Got what you needed, I got quickly. Learned yourself through me, already here. Got you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Guys, this is our food, my tacos. Shani, what's that is? Enchiladas.
Looking like shit.
Looking like... Tastes like shit?
No, this actually
Yeah, so that's her
not
shit.
bad.
My shit.
Spicy. And you with your tacos? Are you enjoying your tacos?
Not bad. It's good.
Honestly, we forgot to end the vlog, guys, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification shout out so that you're notified when we post a new video. Don't forget to let us know in the comments what you'd like to see in our next video and if you'd like to see more content like these. Thanks for watching.